welcome back to Easy Nails. These are the fun polygel nails we're going to make today. So if you guys are interested in this polygel tutorial, then keep on watching. So today I'm going to do a polygel infill. I'm going to show y'all how I infill my acrylic nails with polygel. I thought this would be quite fun, so I wanted to test it out. So I used a carbide bit to file off the majority bulk of my last acrylic set, but I didn't file down so much as I usually do because I just have a really small amount to infill. So I basically kept the structure of my old acrylic nails there. As you guys can see, the apex is there and everything. And so I'm just gonna infill the really small area on the natural nail. So I did push back my cuticles. I cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol, and I primed with Light Elegance Tack, cured that in the lamp for 50 seconds. And then I went in with this Tobe Glam base gel. I've been loving this base gel. It's HEMA-free and it works really, really well. So then after I cured that for 30 seconds, I took a really small amount, like a pea-sized amount of polygel. I placed it right above my cuticle area, and then I'm going to be using the Tobe Glam polygel brush to basically press that and pat that into the natural growth area. Once I do that, I am making sure that I have the majority of the acrylic in the apex area, back 1/3 of the nail, and then I start swiping the excess on the nail. So it was really, really easy to do. I super enjoyed this. The color I'm using is a beautiful shimmer color from Tobe Glam. I got it in the gel extension kit. It came with a little lamp, base gel, top gel, dual forms, 2 shimmers, and 2 solid polygels. I have to say that I've been working with polygels lately. I'm still getting a feel for it. And one of my lovely friends, Nellie, told me to pull the polygel and swipe it rather than pat. So I am working on that. I think that the patting is just an old habit from using acrylic a lot, but I am working on that swiping motion and it has helped a lot. So thank you, Nellie. And also, check out her channel, you guys, Nails by Nellie. She is awesome. She is the polygel queen. If you are interested in polygel, check her out. And you guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I'm having a giveaway going on when I reach 1,000. We are 22 away. So I am so, so excited, you guys. I'm going to be giving away a lot of products and a lot of not polished products that I have, and some monomers that I have that I just don't use anymore because I have switched to odorless. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed. That's all you have to do. Just be subscribed, publicly subscribed to the channel. Now here I'm using Madame Glam's pink color. This is called Pink with Benefits. And it is a really, really pretty pink color with the blue undertone. I use this on the middle nail. And you guys, what was awesome about using this polygel, I seriously didn't even file. I probably should have, but I didn't even file. I felt like the cuticle area was pretty flush, so I did not file. So I went in with that Pink with Benefits color. I painted pretty sloppily on there. The coverage was really good, but then I used Madame Glam again in my most recent video that I did my nails. I didn't upload it yet, and it was patchy, and the color was going on stringy. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't use a base coat underneath. They were polygel nails. I filed and buffed them, cleansed them, and then I went in with the color, and the color was super patchy. So let me know, you guys, if you have to put base gel. Maybe that's why. I don't know, but it just wasn't opaque, and I had to do so many layers to get opacity. But back into this tutorial, I'm so excited for spring. I love floral, cherubs, angel nails. I love all that stuff, like that vintage floral vibe. I love it. So I put on iMethod Beauty's Transfer Foil Gel. I took that and then I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I put on these beautiful, there's little cherub baby angels on the first finger, which is so, so adorable. And then little pink flowers. And then on this middle finger here, I used like a medium pink toned roses, and they have a little greenery in them. So really, really beautiful floral design. I love floral transfer paper. Anything floral and vintagey. I think it's so beautiful and classic and perfect for the time of year. So yeah, after I cure that in place, I rub, you guys. When you think you've rubbed enough with transfer foil after it cures in the lamp for 60 seconds, go in with your transfer foil and rub that on the nail hard, because you want to make sure it's completely transferred. So I did that, and then I also did that on my pinky finger. So now I'm going in and adding some beautiful dainty crystals to tie off this floral vintage look. This really large piece in the middle, I got that from Shein. And then these little caviar beads I got from AliExpress, I believe. So I used some builder gel to adhere, and I went over that with the Madam Glam top coat. Now the Madam Glam top coat is a no wipe, and it is shiny, but it's not as glossy as I like. My favorite top coat so far is the Gelixir top coat. You can get that off of Amazon. Works really well, and it's HEMA free. But these nails did turn out still pretty shiny. The shine is going pretty strong. I've had these on for about a week and a half now. Pretty strong shine still. So I am top coating everything. I'm making sure to go over the caviar beads because those do dull if you do not go over them with the top gel. So I'm doing that, and I'm sorry you guys, this ring finger I did a few days ago. It is from acrylic and I just didn't film it, but it is an ombre marble, and I did add some, those are pink Swarovski crystals and caviar beads around, and I did put the floral transfer on the pinky and the index. So I'm putting on this no wipe top coat. And no wipe, this is a wipe. I'm not used to using wipe top coat, but this one is from Madam Glam. I do have a discount code. I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. And then I'm rubbing off the inhibition layer when it comes out of the lamp. And there you have it, you guys. I love these nails. I think they are so cute, super floral, vintagey, girly vibes, perfect for spring. And look how easy it was to infill the nails without even filing with polygel. So I love that. Great hack, super easy. And what I'm doing now is I like to do this trick. After I top coat and everything, I super gently, this is a Tammy Taylor peel and stick file. You can get them from Amazon. I super gently, it looks like I'm being rough here because I sped it up, but I'm not. I just go along those side walls and free edge just to crispen everything up, just because I didn't file earlier. And I really find it crisps up the shape. This is cuticle oil from Madam Glam. It is amazing, and it actually contains good ingredients for your nails like jojoba oil and vitamin C. So I highly recommend. And that is it, you guys. Here are some final videos of the nails. I love them. I hope you did too. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Check out my Madam Glam discount in the description box if you're interested. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.